Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Adobe Premiere Pro auto captions for faster edits, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable auto captions in Adobe Premiere Pro, start by opening your project. Navigate to the window menu at the top of the screen. In the drop-down, select Text. A new text panel will appear on the right side. In this panel, look for the transcript option. Click on Create Transcription to begin. You'll see several settings to customize the transcription process. First, choose your audio track from the available options. Next, select your desired language for the captions. If your video contains multiple speakers, enable the Recognize the Speaker feature for more accuracy. Click the Transcribe Sequence button to start the process. Adobe Premiere Pro will analyze your audio and generate a transcription automatically. Once completed, the transcript will appear in the text panel. To create captions from your transcript, click the Create Captions button. You'll have options to adjust the caption style, such as the number of lines and caption duration. Once you've made your selections, hit Create Captions again. The caption track will now be generated in your timeline. You can edit the captions directly in the text panel if needed. Adjust the timing or text for better synchronization with your video. To finalize, drag your caption track to the preferred position in the timeline. You can customize the appearance further by adjusting the caption settings in the Essential Graphics panel. Once satisfied, preview your video to ensure captions display correctly. Export your video with captions enabled to complete the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.